Hello, in this video, we will see 10 genuine niche ideas that you can adapt and start making content on. So let's start with 1. A day in the life vlog shot, entirely from the perspective of a GoPro camera mounted on your head. 2. A how-to video, in which you demonstrate a skill or recipe focusing your camera on the subject that you are working on. You could try filming a tutorial on how to bake a cake or cook a popular dish, or anything that you like and wish to share with your audience. You could also film yourself creating a craft or DIY project. 3. A travel vlog that takes the viewer on a virtual tour of a city or country. 4. A reaction video in which you film yourself reacting to a viral video or news story. 5. A challenge video in which you take on a viral challenge and document your progress. 6. An explainer video in which you explain a complex topic or concept, using visual aids and graphics to illustrate your points. For an explainer video in which you explain a complex topic or concept, you could try creating a video that breaks down a difficult subject into simpler terms. This could be a math or science concept, or a topic from history or politics. You could also create an explainer video on a personal hobby or interest, such as a particular video game or sport. Alternatively, you could create an explainer video on a current event or news story, providing context and background information on the topic. 7. A book review video in which you share your thoughts on a recently read book. 8. A science experiment video in which you demonstrate a scientific principle or process. 9. A parody video in which you perform a humorous take on a popular song, TV show, or movie. 10. A Q&A video in which you answer questions submitted by your viewers. These are the 10 niche ideas in which you can follow anyone and start making content on. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe.